and thank you for joining us today. My name is Gemma Court, and I'd like to introduce my fellow educator and artist, Bridget Nichols, as well as our beautiful model, Alicia. We wanted to talk to you today about the benefits of the ApHogee two-step protein treatment. Just like a doctor would prescribe you medication when you're unwell, as artists, it's up to us to evaluate the overall health of our guest's hair and prescribe the best course of action. As a stylist, we have guests that come to us and have a variety of hair care issues, including dry, brittle, broken, weakened hair that's a challenge to style. Now, many products that are on the market contain oils, moisturizers, and a little bit of protein. However, the two-step protein ApHogee treatment contains protein that's not blended with other conditioning agents, allowing it to bond more effectively to the hair, therefore strengthening the overall condition of the hair from the inside out, giving a more lustrous, healthy head of hair for your guest. So we always, prior to beginning any service, perform a detailed, thorough hair and scalp analysis. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and take a look at our model's scalp and check for any open wounds or abrasions. And if there's any irritation or anything that's open, obviously we're not going to proceed with the service. So we know her scalp looks great, and now we're going to go ahead and assess the condition of the hair. We're going to look at her texture, look at the porosity, and at this point we would also perform an elasticity test to determine whether or not our guest is lacking protein and or moisture, and the best treatment that is going to benefit them. So we have already performed an elasticity test on our model, and we know that she is in fact lacking protein. She does have some thermal damage from flat ironing on a daily basis, as well as a previous relaxer and some chemical damage on the end. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to our shampoo bowls, and we'll walk you through the procedure on performing the ApHogee two-step protein treatment.
To ensure penetration of the treatment, we will first shampoo using the ApHogee shampoo for damaged hair. This will remove any styling products or buildup that could interfere with the benefits of the treatment. Remember to always pre-wet the hair prior to applying the shampoo, which is especially true with damaged, porous hair, so the concentrated shampoo isn't absorbed into the hair. When rinsing, make sure to use lukewarm water to help keep the cuticle open in preparation for the treatment. After rinsing, remove any excess water from the hair by thoroughly towel blotting. This will make sure that the protein treatment is evenly absorbed and not diluted down. We are now ready to begin the application of the treatment. Prepare the hair by combing through to remove any tangles. The treatment should be transferred into an applicator bottle. Since the product has a watery consistency, an applicator bottle with a smaller nozzle is recommended. A spray bottle is not the best option for applying the treatment, as there is less accuracy when applying and the nozzle has a tendency to clog. The product formula was recently adjusted to a light clear honey version, as shown here. You may be using the original formula, which is a thicker consistency and light yellow in color. This was done by upgrading one of the ingredients from cosmetic grade to pharmaceutical grade in the two-step treatment, so that it blends more completely to give consistent results in the case the product was not well shaken before use as directed. We found the cloudy yellow and clear honey-colored versions yield the same results, and we still shake well before decanting into our applicator bottle. You may section the hair to ensure consistent saturation. Be careful not to get the product in the eyes. If you happen to get the product in the eyes due to the acidic pH, it may sting and must be rinsed immediately. Begin applying to small, manageable sections, ensuring the product is distributed evenly. Comb through longer hair quickly after application with a wide-tooth comb to distribute the product. And for hair that is longer than the shoulders, you can loosely clip it up before going under the dryer. Wipe off any excess product from around the skin and place a towel around the neck. We can now place the client under the dryer. As the water is driven off of the hair, the protein and catalyst react with the heat to rebond broken sections of the keratin chains within the hair. These weakened areas can become points of breakage without the use of the treatment. Once the protein has dried into the hair, it becomes hard and must be handled very carefully. You may spray the hair with lukewarm water first to soften the dried protein prior to rinsing. Rinse all excess product from the hair. Be sure to rinse thoroughly, especially in the nape and under the occipital. After rinsing, the hair should be re-rinsed. To restore softness, shine, and elasticity into the hair, we will apply step 2, the balancing moisturizer. This is then left on for approximately 2 minutes and then rinsed from the hair. Proceed with drying and styling as usual.